Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAC Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAC Radio. Keep it locked. Greetings, massive. Welcome to Island Heat, the best from yacht to the streets. Here we feature Caribbean music, culture, topics. Hold on to your seat as we prepare to dive into today's theme, which is the best of paradise. We are your hosts, Lady Lalabella, and I'm presenting to you our special guest host.
I'm back. It's King Rudy in the building.
Yes.
Bringing the Island Heat once again. Honor to Super Peck for allowing me to come in and just kind of hold the position till he returns.
You don't know. Shout outs to you all for listening on your devices. We are broadcasting live on APAP Radio. Make sure to lock us in on your socials, hit like, and follow us to receive all the notifications on all your content posts. Additionally, shout out to APAP Media and APAP Media Group. It's a full-service creative video and production company specializing in podcasting, multi-camera recording, and live streaming. Their services are customizable to fit any occasion, be it conferences, workshops, employee training, concerts, trade shows, lectures, and much more. Our mission is to take creative challenges in preserving and telling stories in visually compelling ways for individuals and corporations so that they can achieve their preconceived objective. Wow. Contact them by email at info@apapmedia.com. Shout out to Mr. P for that.
You know what I mean? You don't see the quality of the thing. All you got to do is lock in, listen in, view online. You see the quality.
With day, where I represent. So we have a great show lined up for you today. We will be testing how Caribbean are you with our All Things Caribbean trivia.
Okay.
Now, the Heat from the Streets will be giving you the top stories and features from Yard to the Streets. We will be talking news, mix-up, must-know topics, and events for the island movers and shakers. Now, tell them what's going to happen at 10 o'clock.
Oh, at 10 o'clock, you already know the Island Heat Countdown has been crazy every single week, bringing you the hottest tunes from artists out of the diaspora, but living here in Atlanta.
Right.
Definitely lock in for that. It's going to be nonstop music and just vibes all night, so get ready.
And, of course, you're going to hear the hottest rhythms and singles in the mix from reggae, soca, Latin, and other Caribbean genres.
Naturally.
So, are we ready to jump right into the trivia?
Yeah, let's get in.
All right. What is the name of the Caribbean's annual musical festival taking place in mid-July in Montego Bay? A, One Love Concert. B, Reggae Sumfest. C, Trinidad Carnival. Or D, Junkanoo Bahamas. Well, if you've been listening to the All Things Caribbean Trivia and our hot topics, you already know what the answer is going to be. So sit tight while we give you some musical contributions from the one named King Rudy.
You mean? And I want to start out with Sir Alexander. I got this hot tune from Sir Alexander called Savage Chick. Heard it a couple times. I didn't get to play it when I was here last, so I want to just start off with my brethren,
Jump
Sir
right
Alexander,
into it.
and then
Yes,
we get into the mix. Let's go.
Love it.
Some sweet bad habits, just like water you flow. You're the reason for the smile I show, and I'm the reason for your elegance and glow. Ask me how I know, because he told me so. My job is to keep you smiling, keep you shining. Never felt this way before. I swear you bring so so I can show you more. Go ahead and close the door.
About that one, y'all, from Sir Alexander. Y'all gotta let me know how y'all feel about that one, because that is my brethren. I've been promising. In fact, I'm gonna play it one more time. You seen the vibes on that? What you think about that one, Lee?
I love it. I mean, we had Sir Alexander on here a few weeks ago. He has just a great personality. I love his new project that he's put out, Who Dis. So you don't know him, family.
Yes.
So we definitely can pull that one up one more time.
Got to pull that one up one more time. It just got a
Alexander.
different vibe to it. It controls the essence of love. You know what I mean? So I got to play that one more time. Think called Savage Chick, Sir Alexander. Listen to that one.
You ain't nothing like these other chicks. Oh, they know. Far from basic and the average. And it shows. You're a goddess, such a savage. Body language do me damage. Love me some sweet. My bad habits, just like water, you flow. You're the reason for the smile I show. And I'm the reason for your elegance and glow. Ask me how I know because you told me so. My job is to keep you smiling, keep you shining. Never felt this way before. I swear you bring sunshine. Ooh, I truly adore. I need you. Words cannot explain. Please just let me show you how. Let me show you now. Oh, you know how I feel. Just let me love you. Don't you ever go. Here is what I know. Love can be great. Come get a taste. There's no need to wait. Oh, you know how I feel. You can't escape. I need you. Words cannot explain. My job is to keep you smiling, keep you shining. Never felt this way before. Come inside so I can show you more. Go ahead and close the door.
One voice of the one, Sir Alexander with Savage Chick. It's the Island Heat, y'all. I got this Chronicle on this Jada Kingdom for y'all right now. It's the remix. It's called You Alone.
Love how you move and turn. Anytime you post or something new, them learn. Yeah. You not too grand girl, some you like you whip just with food and herbs.
I channel 18, make me stay up. Sound like when you stir up Alfredo. No matter how far for you, that go and go. Find your yard when I want to choke up. Other man get black and delete. I one thing more, you know, I'm gonna sleep when you firm up in the easy to squeeze. Plus you don't bug a girl on the east. That's my property. Tell you from long time you're perfect. Anything I want me I get, so you go on. That's why my yours it. Clockwork me at 6:30. Make me know when you my thirsty. So minimal, small like a decimal. All the while you ask if I'm a virgin. Yeah, your style I'm crazy. You deserve a baby. You alone must say one more. You are my baby. You like when I shake it. I that drive you crazy. Me alone, you say where you are.
She said, up on balcony. Hairstyle pull up like Max Money. I never check bars when she say hot daddy. Rev out the belly, me no run out of gas on it. Warm down scratch money, text money, disappear black magic. She a tick like say she have clock habit. Don't stop mommy, arch up your back for me. No Viagra, naturally, yeah. Style them crazy, yeah. And where you find them, baby? You alone, me say one more one. Girl, you are my lady, yeah. Style them crazy. And where you find them, baby? You alone, me say one more one. Yo, nah leave you. Really, girl, me want breed you. See the no carry scent like sardine. Lobster feeding and you no trouble turn Camille. Oh, she full of man, so and she no ball field. Run gun, them can't read. Yeah, style them crazy. How will you find them, baby? You alone, me say one more one. Girl, you are my lady, yeah. Style them crazy. How will you find them, baby? You alone, me say one more one.
That's right, y'all. Voice of the One, Chronic Law alongside Jada Kingdom.
All right.
Yeah.
Y'all know who this is.
Hey, drip.
I feel with style and can't follow. Guys before me can't run from a fade low. Started with that tail comb, if you play around, everything balance. Designer can't come on, you're ready.
Me never stay clean. Girl say me sweet like Big Bean. Every night make she daydream. Both the mother and the daughter praise me.
Bottle me and it full of beer mixtures. Uptown girl I waiting for my TikTok. So when it's squeezing with and the talk won't make you know I hit that. Dior on my shoes, Armani suit boss over 2, girl. I never science me use. Take a girl put her on my new.
You Jordan tough pa my foot. I walk me a floor. Escada G's make your girl jump. Don't style me G-phone, shred your puffy high jaw. No China made long hung fight jaw. Sharper than the razor, the barber a fine chart. Me creep alone, caress your nose bone. The best me worst one, the rest we postpone. Me.
If y'all in the dark, that's their boy,
Sweetness.
World Boss.
Alright.
Vibes Cartel alongside Valiant. Hey.
Face no face glow, and I'm a shades low, Dolce Gabbana.
I feel with style and can't follow. Guys before me can't run from a fade low. Started with that tail comb, if you play around, everything balance. Designer can't come on, you're ready.
Me never stay clean. Girl say me sweet like Big Bean. Every night make she daydream. Both the mother and the daughter praise me.
Bottle me and it full of beer mixtures. Uptown girl I waiting for my TikTok. So when it's squeezing with and the talk won't make you know I hit that. Dior on my shoes, Armani suit boss over 2, girl. I never science me use. Take a girl put her on my new.
You Jordan tough pa my foot. I walk me a floor. Escada G's make your girl jump. Don't style me G-phone, shred your puffy high jaw. No China made long hung fight jaw. Sharper than the razor, the barber a fine chart. Me creep alone, caress your nose bone. The best me worst one, the rest we postpone. Me never stay clean. Girl say me sweet like Big Bean. Every night make she daydream. Both the mother and the daughter praise me. Can't afford clocks as a world boss. Whether one the bees are around the third class. Me girl they in a one in her brown short. Every youth a Ochi have a pair when flash.
Big fat Benz in a Canada, girl I say she want father. White t-shirt and my shoes are Prada. Make $1 million a minute, 90s Brampton, different cities.
You don't have to rich to look good. If you put yourself together like jigsaw puzzle, just don't be a waste boy. I do Gucci style with the color matchy vibes with the mood.
Style, I beat them but my knocks. Your cologne sense stink and make your girl act up. Be a Jew, my muck.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da. Dada cover my face, calling me la bada. Biggie man, we know they wear abada. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. The girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and give So anything we I dey do, I dey try to do on my way. Plenty so far we face, just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come?
Guan Rudy. Hey.
That's right, y'all. It's Island Heat. Y'all know that was your boy Burna Boy with Ye.
Keeping the vibes up there.
Keeping the vibes going. You know what I'm saying?
And of course, we have to bring it in with our trivia question and answer. What was the name of the Caribbean Annual Music Festival that takes place in mid-July in Montego Bay? Well, if you know where Montego Bay is, you know that is Jamaica. So it can't Junkono in Bahamas, and it can't Trinidadian Carnival. And so we have 2, A, One Love Concert, and B, Reggae Sumfest. Now, the One Love Concert is actually the name of the concert that was held by Bob Marley.
Oh, yes, the One Love Peace concert.
I put that in there. So it's not A. Of course, it's B. That's the Reggae Sumfest. And if you don't know about Sumfest, then you have to tune in to the Island Heat Show for us to give you the rundown of who's who to look out for, what the rundown, who the lineup is, and, bigger things will go on this summer.
I'm trying to tell you, if you don't book feet, if you don't already have your plane ticket, it's
who
a week
are
long.
You?
It's a week long. I feel like that's longer than normal, but maybe it is the regular time. Spanning from what they say, the 16th all the way into the next week after that.
It's a long holiday. We'll call it that. And of course, it's held in Catherine Hall in St. James. So Montego Bay is the place to be, July 16th to the 22nd. And the main festival night, so there's going to be events throughout the week. And then the main festivals are going to start on the 21st and the 22nd. So we have a crazy lineup here. We got Tommy Lee, fresh from behind bars.
That's what everybody want to see.
Valiant, Massacre, Chronic Law, Gyptian, Ja Vinci, 450, Mighty Crown. I could touch the stage and it's Japan. I could get them a wicked forward.
Yes.
Baika. Who that?
Baika, that's the youth who had, you have some tune. When the youth who was,
he's dancehall.
Out of Miami. I thought he was out of.
Okay, all right. Baika Stock Ashley, Stock Ashley, I do our thing. Javelani, Rose Dawn, Vanessa Bling, Top Man, Don Z Life, Shano, Pablo YG, and of course the 90s boombox. So Harry Toddler, General B, Jigsy King, Boom Dynamite,
Yeah, they gonna Boom Dynamite would be
give him a tribute.
He was rehearsing and getting ready for the show, so
Mega
I'm sure they're gonna have some,
Silver Cat, Tony Curtis, Nitty Kutch. They're gonna get him a wicked forward, giving us the best of the 90s.
And I can't complain about that. One, because 90s are my time.
Right, the golden age.
Those artists know how to perform. It's none of that boring. Even if it's good, it's some fest. They may not give you the 1 hour show. They may give you the 15 minute, 30. Okay. But those are the artists that are going to give you the hype and the vibes.
You're gonna have to stay up all night, so don't go to sleep.
Yeah.
Make sure you stay well hydrated because it's going to be one of them 4 a.m. performances.
Yeah, but everybody who signed up for that know what they're getting themselves into, I hope, because that's the place to be.
It looks like the second festival night is more about the roots and the culture.
What they got on the second festival?
We have a King Jammy's tribute.
Naturally, yes.
Admiral Bailey, Lieutenant Stitchy, Pinchers, Bunny General, Asa Lineage, Shaka Demus, Chuck Turner, Leroy Gibbons, Morgan Heritage, Kabaka Pyramid, Romaine Virgo, Freddie McGregor, Chino McGregor, Stephen the Genius, Tanya Stevens, Richie Spice, Diani, Bonafide Band, Joe Archer, and Jafrican Makeen. McKeenan.
I'm like that night. I like that lineup. It's mainly 80s, and then they go into the roots into the 90s too, and into the 2000s. So I think that night is actually going to surprise some people, and that's a good vibe.
Got some Grammy winners up there.
Absolutely.
Kabaka and Morgan Heritage.
Heritage.
Yes.
Man.
And of course, the Queen Tanya Stevens. Love her stage presence and her performances as well.
Yeah.
I don't see where the Minister Marion Hall will be performing, but it's such a book.
If she booked, she'd be prime time. Like she's on the prime time night. They not go unless they go situate her in a spot where she take over another night. She need to be on the night that all the big stars on, because you seen her last performance. Man, everybody's still studying that performance. Everybody, the lyric for lyric is that ungodly lyric, ungodly lyric. Yo, she still has it.
She still got it. She's still holding it down, and she had prayers our father.
She's still putting fear in the hearts of other singers and DJs, not to mention names.
She's definitely keeping us on our toes and
Yes.
keeping us anticipating what this Sumfest is going to look like for her as well.
Yeah.
So we can line up. I love it.
No, nothing has stopped her career. That's
Nothing.
what it is. It's not. If we're talking about a pause, she took less of a pause than probably any other artist that ever took a pause and came back.
Agreed.
It was she just collected herself, figured herself out, and here we have it, and it's beautiful. Love it.
I love it. I love to see it. She a lead in other race.
Yeah, she just is. I don't want to get too into, but she decided to take a different lane, the godly lane, and she's standing in it. Period. I mean, not everybody is willing to do that. Not everybody is still willing to come back in these settings and show that off. A lot of artists, when they, say they're saved or whatever, they cut
Separate
out the dance
themselves.
She's stepping into the arena to save souls. I love it.
Well, she's making an example of, His mercy and His grace. So I love to see that. Reggae Sumfest is the largest music festival in Jamaica and the Caribbean, taking place each year in mid-July in Montego Bay. Sumfest started in 1993, hosted in Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex, St. James, Montego Bay, Jamaica, presented by Down Sound Records. Purchase tickets on the official website, reggaesumfest.com.
Very nice, very nice. One of the last shows left in Jamaica, so we got to make sure that those shows are well attended and they put it.
How you mean? So how about we just jump right into the heat from the streets?
Okay, we can do that.
So, in latest news, Joshi, one of the primetime dancehall artist acts that has been like a buzzword throughout the scene, actually has been in some violence.
Yeah, I don't like to hear. I never like to hear it.
And
I never like to hear it.
And it's tough because he's been dancing around certain topics and certain people, and it seems like it's finally come to a head now. Joshi's pickup was riddled with bullets, and 6 of his entourage members were shot.
Yes.
At about 4:15, a pickup type truck with Joshi and several of his friends and associates were exiting Marketplace on Constant Spring Road when men on bikes rode up and shot up the vehicle. Joshi managed to elude his attackers and was not injured, but 6 persons were shot. None of the injuries were serious.
That was his birth night, too. It was a birth night party.
Going out, trying to have a good time. People know say you're at a certain place, then pull up on you.
I can't even enjoy a Mert Strong.
I mean, these and those who were injured were treated at the hospital. Eyewitness reports say that an off-duty police officer, well known in the entertainment circles, challenged the bike-riding men before they could do more damage. So good thing somebody was there on the scene. Joshi was reportedly leaving his own birthday party, as you mentioned, which was held at Mecca nightclub. He was in another car with the promoter. That's why he was able to evade them. In June, the police had expressed an interest in speaking to the Born Friday DJ, as they believe that Joshi could have information about the death of a 45-year-old businessman, Omar.
That's how the thing. He already had some, like you said, there was some drama going on in the entertainment front, but a lot of that is normally promote songs or you're just getting a little 1 and 2. But this thing that this other thing that he's supposedly dealing with is a bigger thing, and I pray that I pray he gets out of that issue. I pray it doesn't have anything to do with these idiots who shot up the car and that was just mistaken identity or something crazy. But thank God he survived that. situation?
Well, he had actually turned himself in to the police in the company of his attorneys.
Yes.
And was questioned and released about that June 7th murder.
Mm-hmm.
So his lawyer, Peter Campany, has consistently maintained his client's innocence, and the police have yet to make an arrest in relation to Wright's murder.
Yo.
So as you stated, I hope that he doesn't have anything to do with it. I hope that, all of this can be cleared up and, he no longer has to deal with these kind of indirect attacks.
Or anybody for that matter. I'm tired of hearing about it in the dance hall scene, in the hip hop scene. Every time we turn around, our artists are being targeted or they're losing their life or whatever the case may be. We're just kind of tired of it. And, we're looking for something different. So
We really are. We really are. We want to bring positivity back into the scene. And in that same breath, we're going to bring it back to Lady Saw. And no doubt, underneath it all, certified platinum in the United States.
Yo, I want to play that song. Yo, if I don't get to play that song, I'm going to play that song next week. Because who's playing the song? Like, it's one of those situations where you will have Jamaica on the main stage and the song is a surprise to everybody. They're not hearing it. I'm like, well, this is a song now that's about, you see, come on.
Mm-hmm. And I didn't know this. Sly and Robbie actually produced the song.
Exactly.
And it was a 2001 collab, underneath it all, certified platinum in the United States, according to the Recording Industry Association of America. The song has reached the sales and streaming equivalent of 1 million units sold in the United States. The platinum milestone follows a gold certification in March 2021, making 500,000 units shifted in the U.S. at that time. Now, underneath it all is the highest charting U.S. single for, no doubt, Lady Saw and Sly and Robbie. It peaked at number 3 on the Billboard Hot 100, but was less successful, reaching number 18 in the UK charts and top 40 standings in Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Netherlands, New Zealand, Sweden.
Not even gracing a U.S. chart.
I mean, but the United States loves it. We like our,
Yo, play
our
that song.
laid back track.
Find the gear. I'm gonna play that
Give
song.
it some love. The song's music video has over 53 million views on YouTube. I mean, all the praise to No Doubt and Lady Saw. Good music lasts forever.
Is that not their first link? Because I feel like, who was it that was like, it ain't done a rich girl? Didn't somebody redo that and bring it? Yes, I thought it was No Doubt. I'm pretty sure it's No Doubt that did a song with Lady Saw. Back in the late 90s, early 2000s.
Well, Bounty Killer also did a song with
yes,
them
he did.
as well.
It caused a lot of controversy, but yes, he did at that time. So yeah. This is It's not. In other words, this is not a new relationship, but it's a look. They came together and they dropped a hit. So
Yes.
I'd love to be able to play that.
Yeah, man.
What we have next in the new? I want to squeeze that song in. We got to squeeze that song in, and then
we can do something.
squeeze it in, and then come back.
Before that,
Oh, okay.
we're gonna talk about the Bob Marley. Gotta talk about the Bob Marley One Love.
Okay.
So the trailer was released this past week. If you haven't seen it, you need to go look on your latest YouTube, Google it, whatever frame of mind you need to be in to go catch it. I mean, definitely take a minute to prepare yourself. I think that there's some very triggering, not in a negative way, but visuals that maybe you weren't expecting when associated with Bob Marley. Because this is one of the first times I feel like they've really brought a head to what happened with him in the assassination during that time and the political
assassination
state.
attempt.
Yes, attempt.
Yes.
Right, correct.
Yeah, I don't know the scope of the movie, and I guess I haven't done my research on that, but okay, if it's scoped in and it's around that time, that's actually, it sounds like it may be action-packed, you know what I'm saying? It's a good look. I'm trying to be open-minded, because you know how we stay already. If something don't look original, authentic, or like it's like a, you know what I mean? We start being like, so I'm like, hopefully everything is in gear, and it's some good acting. Let me say that. I just want to see some good acting and something that'll make me watch it not just the first time, but want to come back and come. You know what I'm saying?
Want to share it with the next generation, because really, if you think about it, we've had our stories amongst ourselves. This
Yes.
is really for the next generation coming up to remember the legacy,
Yes.
whatever way that, the family best sees fit, because they signed off on it.
Good.
And I think that this is a good look. So Ziggy Marley made a post stating that the Bob Marley One Love stars Kingsley Ben-Adir as the reggae icon who secured the role after a wide-ranging casting search. Now, if you don't know Kingsley Ben-Adir, he actually played in One Night in Miami. He played the Malcolm X character.
Oh, that's the dude from the Malcolm
Yes.
X character. I thought he did good in that character, in that
See
character.
that?
You know
See
what I'm saying?
that? So let's see
That
how he
character.
how he honors this icon. In the official poster, which was unveiled this past week, he is seen standing with his back turned, fist raised in a pose that is reminiscent of Marley. Lashana Lynch stars as Bob Marley's wife, Rita, and Ronaldo Marcus Green directed the film. Marley family produced it alongside Paramount, and from them, it represents a continuation of Bob's message and growth.
Nice.
On the poster is written, "Some voices are forever." Earlier this year, the filmmakers were in the island for weeks, shooting for an extended period in Trenchtown, Marley's home, and also in locations such as Bull Bay and National Heroes Park Circle. In Kingston, where night scenes of the famous Bob Marley headlined concert were filmed, using several persons from the surrounding communities as extras. So some authenticity
Yes,
there,
that's-
you know. Parts of the biopic were also filmed in England. In his post, Ziggy Marley stated that the film will bring you to witness for the first time what it was like to be around the legend, to see his pain, his sorrows, his joys, and his redemption, and stressed that the cast, the crew, represented one of the most unique creations to ever come out of a Hollywood studio. Authenticity fills the screen with numerous Jamaican actors doing us proud and representing the culture. Filmed in the actual places, Trenchtown, Bull Bay, Kingston, it is an artistic representation and creation that we are proud of and want you to enjoy, to be entertained as it also inspires.
Okay,
That's warming.
That was a nice write-up. It's good to hear that the family's involved. It's good to hear that they took their time. This is not a rush. There's money, big money
They
into
put
this.
their hands into it, exactly. They
yes.
were present, filming here, filming there, you know?
Yeah, authenticity is what it sounded like they were pushing for, and then to keep the message moving forward. That's what we've been waiting for. That's all everybody else has their movies, and there's why we don't have movies about our heroes and our It's time, you know. So it's good to see that that's what's going on.
Yeah, of course, of course. And Reggae Month is not just a day or a month.
No.
It can be every day, and I hope, like you said, this biopic is going to prove that reggae is international. It's worldwide.
I mean, the music, Bob Marley's music, once it touch you, you'll never forget it. So,
What?
so
When
it-
the music hits you,
So,
you feel no
if this is
pain.
going to reach even more people, it's going to be a good look. Good
Yeah,
look.
man, yeah, man. So give us a little bit of the No Doubt and a little bit
Oh,
of
yeah,
the
no
song.
doubt. Yeah, it's a vibe. Let me bring it, you know. All right, this is No Doubt. Song is called Underneath It All, and it's featuring Minister Marion Hall, or, you know, Queen of the Dancehall, Lady Saw. Let's take
All
it.
right, see that?
You don't have to forget. Just remember the Sunday, all right?
There's times when I want something more, someone more like me. There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete. But you see the colors in me like no one else. And behind your dark glasses, you're something else. And you're really lovely underneath it all. And you want to love me underneath it all. pull your coupons and all you've got left is me. And somehow I'm full of forgiveness, I guess it's meant to be. And you're really lovely underneath it all. And you want to love me underneath it all. I'm really lucky underneath it all. And you're really lovely. Underneath it all. Underneath it all.
That's right, y'all. Underneath it all, that is Lady Saw alongside No Doubt, or No Doubt featuring Lady Saw. Crazy. Big tune.
And congratulations on their certified platinum.
Certified platinum. It's not easy these days.
Great acts. You know, never die. Good songs. never
Yes,
die.
yes.
So, let's just go ahead and jump right into what's going on in the Caribbean scene.
Oh, okay. And there's beer things going on, especially in the Atlanta scene. There's one Baga dances, some clashes even coming up. So yeah. Let's jump into that.
So, we got the Truckers Reunion with Metro Media, Stone Love, Inner City on August the 5th. Now, the B Reggae Music 3-day free event will be August 11th through the 13th at Piedmont Park.
I don't know if I've seen the flyers. What are we talking? That sounds like a Sumfest vibes. What do we got going on?
It's supposed to be really nice. And let me tell you, me and Peck were talking about it. They actually have a really dope sponsor, the Red Stripe Sorrel Beer.
Okay. Yes.
Pulling
Gotta have a
up Red
big-
Stripe.
yes.
So that's going to be a good look. And then, of course, you can't forget about Barris coming up on August 20th.
I need to get my tickets on. Don't tell nobody. I don't have my tickets.
Wait.
Ridiculous.
Because, we're going to be on the lawn. We're going to be jamming.
Is lawn? Yeah. Is this a different? Because what I know from Chastain, whenever I'm at Chastain, you're in the amphitheater vibe. Is it still amphitheater?
Well, they have
park
this. They have
portion?
the bottom part where they're going to have the seating, and then of course they'll have the top.
Top lawn. Okay. Yeah.
That's right. That's
Vibes. That is gonna be a vibes.
See,
bring your
that-
own food. Bring your own drinks.
Bring your own ting.
Cool fete.
Ting on ting. See, that's it.
Yes.
That's Barris, Luciano, and Inner Circle on the 20th of August.
Nice.
Cobb County is actually going to do an international fest. That's August 26th. That's going to be at 2245 Callaway Road Southwest, starting as early as 10 a.m. Sound like it's going to be a good little time. And then, of course, we can't forget the annual Atlanta Caribbean Jerk Fest.
Is it? Do we know who's on that Cobb Fest? Anybody? Any names?
I didn't see any names. It looks like it's going to be a big, like, foodie kind of
Okay,
vibe.
okay.
Lots of vendors.
Okay.
But the Jerk Fest, of course, should have a good lineup as well as food, things for kids. Always an entertaining time.
Yes, ma'am.
And then that's going to be at the Southeast Athletic Complex in Lithonia on the 3rd of September.
Nice. Keep it on the east side.
Keep it on the east side, baby. Now, Stephen Marley will be here with Mike Love on October 22nd at Center Stage Atlanta. That'll be a sight to see. Stephen Marley hasn't been here in a while.
Yeah.
And then, of course, Caribbean Runnings, 2 p.m., 4 p.m. on Fridays. And that's on WRFG 89.3 FM. And I have a special shout out that I want to give.
Yes.
This is going to be to Choice Baptiste and Risha Baptiste. Big up yourself. You done know. Now, the Choice One and Risha on their second anniversary. They're family of the WRFG team. They're celebrating 50 years of independent community broadcasting in Atlanta. Celebrate this milestone achievement, half a century of servicing the Atlanta area. And of course, WRFG is home for Atlanta's long-running Caribbean show. And, bigger great things like and we also want to make sure that we include the fact that we're going to have an interview this evening. Anthony Malvo will be tuning in, tapping in with us here at the Island Heat Show. So we'll just stay tuned for him. He
Yes.
should be on the line any moment now.
Veteran singer will be
Right. So
in.
the legends. We're talking about legends that have been, in the Atlanta area, constantly giving us great music
Yes.
and representing Caribbean culture to the fullest.
I gotta say shout out to some of the people in the chat room. We got Digital B Music in the chat room. We got Blakey. We got Kim Ann. We have Nicole Millette, 13th Street Music. It's a vibe.
It's always love. It's always love. Big up on ourselves for listening in. Always keep it loud. Every Monday, we're here, APAP Radio.
Let me give one more quick shout out. This weekend coming up, Brethren of Mine, Aztec, alongside Mellow Fam First. They got a clash going on. It's called the Instant Judgment.
All right.
July 15th, Mac 10 Sound, Tech 9, Fire Rose, Bud. Who all in on this? I feel like somebody should run in on this dance still. But
we got Anthony
One
on the
Mission
line.
Sound on it, Exile One Dep on it, and City Vibe Sound. So it's a nice tournament clash for those who are into the clash thing. And we got to keep clash alive. So this weekend, July 15th, every time Mellow do their thing, it's usually at the base. So check them at the base, July 15th.
All right, pick up on ourselves here on APAP Radio. We have live the one named Anthony Malvo on the line.
Yeah,
Thank you so
blessings.
much. Thank you so much for
Blessings.
tuning in. It's an honor to have you on the show.
Blessings and honor,
Yeah, man, it's a
veteran.
blessings, man. It's a blessings, man. It's a blessings, Bye-bye. Yeah. Great vibe.
Good to go. You've been in Atlanta. I've been hearing your name bantered around in Atlanta for at least the last 10 years, but we know say you's a man traveled the world, just being a reggae ambassador and continue to keep the music moving forward. So
Yeah, man, we keep on moving it, keep on doing the thing because, this is our world and we keep on doing it,
yes, man.
Keep on doing it. Yeah, man. So that is why we do still,
Bless.
So tell us about some of the musical projects that you have released within the past year. And you also received an award from the city of Atlanta. And we'd love to hear more about that as well.
Yeah, we got I have an album out now called Mature. It's out from early this year. It was released. It's out now, so it's on all different platforms. Mature. So it's 12 songs. Nice, lovers rock, culture, dance, the whole package. Is a nice little setup thing. It's a great vibe. And I got an award for some lifetime achievement in Atlanta from someone. Yeah, so it was a good vibe. It was a good vibe. So people kind of recognize you and still, hear your flaws when you're alive.
That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. So Mature, tell us about your tour run, how it's being received, how people are enjoying the music. What's one of your favorite tracks from this project?
Oh, well, I have a lot of favorite tracks. I have one you call Jah Is My Light. You have Give Thanks. You have In Case You Didn't Know. You have Everything. Oh, a lot of favorite tracks, and it's not really one, but it's been a good vibe with me. Been a good vibe. A lot of people been accepting it and loving it, and I've been doing a few shows, a couple places, Barbados, St. Martins. I just came from London, and I'm going to Toronto next month, and then I'm in the US doing shows like Philadelphia, Missouri. A couple places I've left to go. So it's a good vibe, Yeah. Yeah,
My sister, but she may be a little young, but I remember the times, man. I remember the times when Anthony Malvo music in the dance hall, 80s, lovers rock. It was a vibe, and it still is.
Yeah,
We're
it's
glad
a
to
good
hear
vibe.
your voice. And your daughter's also a singer as well, right?
Yeah, my daughter, she lives in Toronto, named Tiffany Malvo, and she's still doing things. We have a song, because I do production too, so I have a song gonna drop with her soon. The remix with Courtney Melody, Modern Girl. We're doing a remix with it. Yeah, Modern Girl. So it's a good vibe, So yes.
What do you think about some of the new music that's coming out? Are you feeling the vibe? I know you're going to stay relevant, but how do you feel about it?
Well, I like the artist, but the music, I don't like the music, because the music is not, it's not reggae, it's not dancehall, it's not representing Jamaica, it's representing maybe America, but it's not dancehall. But the artists are good. A few artists are good. A couple of them is really, really talented, but the music that they're playing, like a bedtime story for me. Uh, you know what I mean? It's boring. It's boring, and it's not. They say trap, but it's not representing Jamaica. We're losing the culture, but we are here still, so we're gonna
Yes.
keep on making good music. So we're not gonna give up and let this thing, But it's just a phase still. Just like something that is, I say, a trend.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come for a little while and it's gonna go. It's nothing to stay. But what I'm glad for is helping poor people to eat a food. Like the youth, them could have turned gunman, them could have kill people. Now them can't send them can buy a house for them mother, them can buy a house for themselves through the same music. You know what I mean? It's a bittersweet. It's a bittersweet.
Sweet, yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a bittersweet. We give thanks to them, but we are here to tell them that that's not working. And then the international market don't love those type of music neither. So they're going to find out soon down the road. They're going to find out, say, yeah, this is not working. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if you notice all the big shows in America and in the world, they always fall for the original people, the original artists from back in the 80s and the 90s still. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Thank you
So
to
that's-
those artists
so
who are
that's what
still
they can do.
upholding it. So that's a good thing that
Yeah.
those 80s and 90s artists like yourself, we can still turn to for a
Foundation.
great show, and some great
Yeah,
music.
We're not going to give up. We're not going to get those spots. We're not going to give up. So we are here to let them know that we still stand on the people. Know that we just have some young generation. It's everything about like a trend. Sometimes they come with something new, and it worked for a little while, but it's not going to go far. I'm telling you. So, but I'm okay. I'm okay with it, and But I'm here to tell them that we're going to fix it. So it's
Yes.
all right.
Nice.
Yeah.
So there was a song that I wanted to ask you about. The great Bobby Digital produced one of your tracks. Can you talk a little bit about the late Bobby Digital and your experience working with him?
Oh, Bobby Digital, we come a far way. Bobby Digital and me, we used to go to school together. So he was a close friend of mine. We used to go to his house. He'd come to my house, and then he started to work with King Jammys, and he invited me down there, and he used to work with King Jammys. We was there with King Jammys. Then he branched off by himself and started. And we make a few songs, but one of the big songs was "Can You Stop the Rain." It was a cover, but it was a big song for me too. And Bobby Digital was producer for that one. Bobby Digital was a great person. Nice, good producer. He know to make hit songs.
I love that. And how have you, as an artist, taking that legendary music from the 80s and brought it now to the 21st century?
Well, this is our music is our original thing, and we love the original music. So you see, from just singing the right thing. No matter what here you can do it. Music it just makes we just keep on doing it and improve on it. That's what we do. But we keep the pattern. We keep the reggae music pattern, but we improve on it still. We make it a little faster sometimes. Play different instrument, play different sound. So you get some new sounds. But it's almost the same thing. We just sing good music. Songs for lovers, songs for positive songs for happy songs. We have different styles.
Very nice. Do you have a studio in Atlanta you like to work out of, and specific engineers or producers?
No,
now?
I have my own studio.
Very nice.
If you're in the business for so long, they say my people always, and my grandmother just say, a good workman always have his tool. So you have to have your own tool. There's nothing, because I want to tell you something. If I didn't have my studio, that album material we couldn't make that album, because we made it in COVID. And so because I have a studio at my house, and my son is my engineer.
Nice.
So it was okay. It was easy for me to make an album. If I had to go to studio, nobody would want you to come to their house or come to the studio. So it's good to have your own studio. You know what I'm saying?
Keeping it in-house. Yes, keeping it in-house.
Yeah.
Tell us about the transition from artist to producer.
Oh well, if you're over the years we've been through producers. I mean, I've been to King Jammys, and I've spent most of my year at King Jammys studio in Waterhouse, and seeing him doing his work, see Bobby Digital, see Winston Riley, couple of Steely and Clevie, Sly and Robbie producers. Right. And watching and seeing that is I learned. It was like I was at school, so I learned the game. So going over to producing wasn't hard, because I know music, I know keys, I know sounds, I know everything. So it wasn't hard, So it was nice. and it's a part of the music. It's a different genre of the music.
Yes, yes. And we love your rendition here of In Case You Didn't Know on the Island Heat
Yes,
radio
thank
show.
you.
We play it weekly and it's just wonderfully layered. We love the vocals, the instruments, everything is amazing. Are there any musicians or credits that you'd like to shout out for helping make Mature possible?
Well, this album was made between me and my friend. It's called his name is Ferdy. It's he have a label called he's a young boy. He's a young boy production. So he both of us put this album together. So we have a few we use different type of musicians. But he's the man who get the musicians. I just did the vocals and he get the musicians. So both of us do it, and so there was a lot of musicians. I don't want to call too much name and miss out on it because there was a lot of musician videos.
Beautiful. Well, that's good. It's, it takes a village to produce anything that's worth long lasting. And,
yes, definitely.
And you're
We try
definitely
to use
keeping the
best.
baton. Yes, keeping your blaze.
Yes. We're not gonna leave it out because if I left the music there, nobody to set an example. So we have to keep on still making good music, making dancehall, making every type of music. You know what I mean? I mean, we like changes, but we want to keep the pattern. These guys in Little Youth, they're losing the pattern because they're trying to be American. They want to go American. Everybody just want to do American things. And they think the American is loving it, but the American don't love it. I mean, that's just pocket of Jamaicans in America love it. It's not the real American and the real, you know what I mean?
Yes.
They don't love it.
It's interesting you say that because the blueprint is there where the American artists have been basically reaping the benefits from the 90s and the 2000 dance. So why follow that now? Why try to follow when they were the followers? It's an interesting turn of events.
Right, they are following them. You know what I'm saying? They're following because everybody wants to come to America and they feel like if they do those type of music, somebody's going to sign them. But no, because they're not making it as good enough as like the Americans. And they don't like those type of music. It's not working. I mean, it's only sometimes yesterday come to America, but it's a pocket of people in New York, a pocket of Jamaican, like a pocket of Jamaican, maybe 1,000 Jamaican might come there. But if you notice the Jerk Fest that they keep, they are some of the shows, they groove in the park. Look at the artists. You don't see none of them. You notice that?
Yeah, I have.
See that? There was a big show in Brooklyn the other day with Patra and
Shaba. Yes.
All right. Did you see any of the you guys? No.
I wanted to talk about that earlier. I'm glad you brought that up because that show showcased that those artists have not lost a beat. They're still giving you a full
house, right?
Yeah.
It was a full house. So that's what that's showing you. The original still people still love the original. You know
yes.
what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, nothing wrong with you, them eat a food, but we just want them know. Just a trend, them are going to try a good trend, they might try something. But I know it's not going to work. But I'm glad for them because they're making some money to take care of their family. But I just pray that others, hopefully, that they're going to change over to our thing because it's not working. And they're going to change because they're going to see that they're not going to be on none of the major stages. You know what I mean? Too much. Maybe one or two might get a squeeze through, like Tilly Bang might, like he might come through, you know what I mean? He might only one and like he'll go one squeeze through. But he's not coffee long still. He must eat a food. And we give thanks to that still eat a food but him automatically him forgot, even Spice, if you notice the beat that Spice used to use, still use the 90s beat still.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying?
yes.
You know that? And she
Absolutely.
still do, and she's top of the game. She's going to see top of the game. She's bigger than ever all of them. You know what I'm saying? So that is great. Coffee, if you listen, Coffee album, 90s. You know what I mean? It's the same. Just keep the pattern.
Foundation.
Yeah, just keep it and play different phrases on the top. Play different sound if you want to play R&B up the top, but keep our pattern. You know what I'm saying? You see that there? I see that they're gonna sue the reggaeton now and take back our thing. We're gonna claim our reggaeton thing because they take it. Dembo. That's where I went to Panama the other day and they were saying that's where reggaeton started in Panama, and then say that's the song that they get it from. Dembo.
Yes, that drum kick, those drums. Yes,
produced by Steely and Clevie.
Yeah,
produced by Steely and Clevie. So so we have to, our thing is big. We just so we can't afford to leave it now when everybody's gonna take it because that's what they're waiting for. They're glad when these little youth switch the thing and start to play some what do they call it? What they call this music? What they call them?
Trap. Yeah. Trap
man.
hall.
They're trapping themselves.
Yeah, they're getting trapped.
themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's so violent.
Well-
It digs deep into violence. Trap music has always been
Yeah.
heavy
Yeah,
drug
yeah.
influence, heavy violence. There's no need to go into that.
But they're seeing it still. They, it's gonna take a little time. It's not too long, but they're seeing it because it's getting more deleted. I mean, people start. It's boring too. It's boring. You can't. If you don't hear remember, back in our days, sometimes when you come on the stage, the beat alone. And when the people hear the beat, the place are much parody. Them start here putting on the beat, them start here taxi, without the artist on it, and the place just catch a fire. If you play one of these beats before the artist come, man, you call them selfie music. Everybody's taking selfie. Nobody's not dancing, they're just doing selfies. There's nothing to dance to because it's a bedtime story. It's dark music, dark.
Yeah.
Music is dark, yeah. But, we just pray for them and we are going to educate them. And some of them are learning. So, it's a good vibe. It's just a trend, as I'm saying. It's a trend.
Yeah.
So, trend come and goes.
Thank you.
Thank you for your
keeping it
contributions,
legit.
laying down the groundwork. Tell people where they can find you online and how they can get your latest project.
Okay, you can get my music matures on all digital platforms. You can find me on Instagram, The Real Anthony Malvo. You can find me on Facebook, Anthony Malvo. You can find me on YouTube, Anthony Malvo. Twitter, Anthony Malvo. I'm on everything. Snapchat, Anthony Malvo. I'm on everything.
Love it so much. It's been a pleasure. I'm your co-host, Lady Lalabella.
I'm King Rudy.
Yes. Yeah,
And
man,
we're going to be playing some more Anthony Malvo. I'm going to give him
Please
some
do.
of the original. You know what I mean?
And I'm gonna send you a song coming soon. I have a song with me and Cape Town too. It's gonna be a big thing. So
Nice.
yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah.
More
So
fire,
we send you when
more
it drop. We're gonna show it. We're gonna send it in to you. So give thanks for your support and keep playing good music same way. Because
Thank you.
without you, we are nothing too. Because you are. We without you, playing the good music. Because you get the last part of the button. You're the anchor. And you're the anchor. So
Aye.
yeah.
Yeah, we're going to keep it moving. We are
Thanks.
definitely going to keep
Much
the reggae music
appreciation.
alive. Thank you so much, Anthony Malvo.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Living legend.
Sure. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Get it on all digital
blessed.
platforms. Give thanks.
Bless it. Yes, respect.
Wow. Island Heat.
Oh, what a powerful voice.
Anthony Malvo taught the things.
Giving us the foundation, the groundation.
Yes.
Telling us where to look. Because sometimes you just need a direction.
Yes.
So that we can take our focus and put it where it needs to go.
All right. Well, we're about to forward into the 10 o'clock hour.
Don't know.
How you feeling about the 10 o'clock hour?
Atlanta Caribbean countdown. I'm ready to dance.
You ready to dance? Okay.
I got my dancing shoes on. We're right here at APAP. What are we waiting for?
Let's take them to the dance. Then.
All right.
This one right here, y'all, is Anthony Malvo alongside Daddy Lizard for all the original dancehall reggae lovers. Listen to this one.
Now all them girls them just sweet and nice if you want to come rock in the party with a little and Malvo. Yeah. You know so when we come is different thing. Tell them Malvo.
I'm gonna take you to the dance tonight. Put on your best dress tonight.
See what the man say, baby.
I'm gonna rock you till broad daylight. Be on your best shape tonight.
Yes, girl. Put on for your dress and put on for your jewelry. Yeah. Me and you is going to a nice party. Yeah. Uptown or downtown or Kingston City. Yeah. All of the bossy them my mom become follow we. Yeah. And when me hold the mic, I'm on a pure agony. Yeah. All of the bossy them a jump up for me. Yeah. Watch them a jump and spread out for me. Yeah. Say me and Malvo aspiring P. Yeah. And when me drop piece at the winery. Yeah. Watch all the girls them a wine them body. Yeah. And then me drop for the girls them lover. Yeah. And every pussy get big bout ya. Come. Now hear this. Love is a serious thing. And you must not fall in love. You must stand in love. Come, Anthony Malvo.
Baby, let's go
Yes, man.
away from
Yeah.
Don't be confused, no.
girl me love me, say me love them proper. Chuma, greatest girl love and from Jamaica. Any girl me love me, say me love them proper.
Summer love is beautiful, it's not enough to satisfy emotions that are shared between us. A winter love is cozy, girl, I need so much more. It just intensify my wants to have a love that endures.
Lord mercy, hey, girl, don't come back to me, 'cause nothing bad no do me. Now he comes, Tiger again, along with Margo. Come on, come on, come on, come on, see ya.
Summer love is beautiful, it's not enough to satisfy emotions that are shared between us. A winter love is cozy, girl, I need so much more. It just intensify my wants to have a love that endures.
Lord mercy, hey, girl, don't come back to me, 'cause nothing bad no do me. 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, you still love me. Love me all the while and be by my side. Don't run away and show me no pride. This is not the tiger, are you me love? Yes, I want to show you how much I care. Take you anywhere you want, go me near, Malvo.
Anytime I close my eyes, I think of you.
Feeling I'm on the body.
No matter
That's
what
right, y'all. That's right, y'all. That's Anthony Malvo alongside Tiger. Reaching out to 13th Street Music, man. I had to give y'all that one, cause y'all let me know in the chat. Classic.
What them want here?
I
Big
mean,
tunes, big things are
Give
going.
thanks to Anthony Malvo for all those music over the years. Talking with us this
Continue
evening.
to give us the mature, the grown and sexy.
Yes.
What we need to hear.
Yes.
From the rock steady to the reggae. Bless up, Anthony Malvo. Now we have our second hour of Highland Heat, the best from y'all to the streets. Here we feature Caribbean music, culture, and topics from across the globe. I am your co-host, Lady Lalabella, alongside
King Rudy.
All right, now in this segment, we count down the hottest tunes by Caribbean artists based in the state of Georgia, starting with our number 10 slot, which is going to be DeMarco John Crow.
Gotta say big up to DeMarco on this one. Check this one out, y'all.
Yeah, sick tune. Madarud. Love to see it. KMR Sounds.
You hear that? You hear that? Man a dirty old Janko. Every day another gal inna the condo. 14 parish every go by every angle. Bad na the bima and a Bronco. Skull for the line and the money at the convo. Real top like Anjo. Every gal a ball up when make a dancer. Roll with a mistake, now you dancer. See me up. Top gal is dog, we no similar. Celine for me clean dog, watch a image. Real Janko, dirty old Janko. See me up. World class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Real Janko, dirty old Janko. Bono. Who portal pan the north, book a big villa. The total pan the cars, gotta back it up. Grab it, boat and pan the yacht. Turn round, girl, get vocal pan the bar. Then she get the Trojan pan the last. Then a motion when the sport pan a blast. Me short spend the most granna dance, have the most gala glance. See me out. Top gal is dog, we no similar. Celine for me clean dog, watch a image. Real Janko, dirty hot Janko. See me out. World class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Real Janko, dirty hot Janko. Man a dirty old Janko. Every day another gal inna the condo. 14 parish every go by every angle. Bad na the bima and a Bronco. Skull for the line and the money at the convo. Real top like Anjo. Every gal a ball up when make a dancer. Roll with a mistake, inna your dancer. See me up. Top gal is dog, we no similar. Celine for me clean dog, watch a image. Real Janko, dirty hot Janko. See me up. World class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Real Janko, dirty hot Janko. Bono. Who portal pan the north, book a big villa. The total pan the cars, gal a back it up. Grab it, boat and pan the yacht. Turn round, gal get vocal pan the bar. Then she get the Trojan pan the last. Then a motion when the sport pan a blast. Me should spend the most granna dance, have the most gala glance. See me up, top gal is dog, we no similar. Still lane for me clean dog, watch a image. Rich and crowd, dirty hard and crowd. See me up, world class dog, we no big enough. Real star boy, check any cinema. Rich and crowd, dirty hard and crowd.
That was number 10.
That was number 10. DeMarco with Jankro. That song, I like the vibes. I can see that moving up the charts. I like the vibe. Keeping it consistent. DeMarco. All right. Well, coming in at number 9. Got your girl Jada Kingdom. This one is called One Life.
See that?
Check it out.
Mystery, all of a sudden you don't wanna be with me. If it's more attention you need, then I'm listening. Just like all the toxic thing that I be picking. Because me love you so much. Lonely enough with me, I need a owner. Maybe rather risk it like I told you. Plus you never diss me and that's a bonus. We have one life and we living in a heartless time. So if we in love, make we get up and try. Cause life too short, so better we will a try. Don't want to do this with nobody but you. Long as you're coming, anything we're against we for move. But don't tell you one thing. So when you step on me, really need your fiance. Kalankuya wa make you a grandson. Stay real, I'ma give you what you want. Shaman, me say I you me a chance. I'm not ashamed. I want you every day. This feels safe. I don't need a break. Serious thing, and I chat me a chat. You may need me, I fi defend that. Serious thing, and I chat me a chat. You may need it. Cause we have one life, and we living in a heartless time. So if we in love, make we get up and try. Cause life too short, so better we will a try. Alright, don't want to do this with nobody but you. Long as you're coming, anything we're against we for move and go. But don't tell you one thing. Don't tell you already.
That's right, y'all. That's Jada Kingdom with One Life.
Jada Kingdom said One Life. No time to waste.
I like it. I like it. Need some more visuals, videos, and all these things, Jada. I love the songs.
Love what we see. You know, Jada always represented on the countdown. And of course, this next artist is always represented on the countdown as well. This is DeMarco.
DeMarco again.
With Life.
Let's go.
And if we could have buy life, yeah. And if we could have buy life, yeah. And if we could have buy life, all of me thugs and me gone with a day of buy right, yeah. Dance with a day of party and me for day of 9-9. Well, a small prayer my choice. We did have a vision, but it's mere by sight. Empty the Wells Fargo, the youth them fit up on the field that we bench one go. One reign supreme, but on a bench China. We did a chase a dream, so my friend gone suck now. Sell any asset, any money, me we spending on. Sponge pop another back up pony anyhow. 21 gun salute, we never selling out. We never hesitate no doubt, and if we could have buy life. All of me thugs and me gone with a day of buy right. Yeah, dance with a day of party and me for day of 9-9. Well, a small prayer my choice. We did have a vision, but it's mere by sight. Yeah, if me could have buy life. I
but the tears now run. Sad to see them putting at the grave nine ground. Try if you drink, where if you pay another rum. All my meaning and the highest grade, I'm alone. Heart to burn me, and me want to search. You nothing can ease the pain now when you bite us. Rather life than figure by guns. Yeah, and if we could have buy life. All of me thugs and me gone with a day I buy right. Yeah, dance with a day a party and me fi day a 9-9. Well, a small prayer my child. We did have a vision but it's mere by side. Yeah, nah, if me could have buy life. Empty the Wells Fargo, the youth them fit up on the field that we bench one go. One reign supreme, but an event China. We did a chase a dream, so my friend gone suck now. Sell any asset, any money, me we spending on. Sponge papa, nana back up pony anyhow. 21 gun salute, we never selling out. We never hesitate no doubt, and if we could have buy life. All of me thugs and me gone with a day I buy right. Yeah, dance with a day I party and me fi day a 9-9. Well, a small prayer my child. We did have a vision but it's mere by side. Yeah, nah, if me coulda buy life.
More life.
DeMarco.
If me coulda buy life.
What number was that?
That was number 8.
Yo, remember, these are folks, these are people, artists that you can find here in Atlanta, mashing up the place in Atlanta and taking it worldwide. So this next artist, you might even be able to see her tonight on one of the channels. This is your girl Spice.
Turning up the place.
Number 7 with the Queen of the Dance Hall.
Queen of the Dance Hall.
Still undisputed, I believe.
I think so.
Here we go.
Welcome to dancehall in Jamaica. Party rider, mesh marina. Big gold chain and me chaparita. Queen of dancehall, me the back up in ya. Diamond socks, big up every skanker. Weed a kush up in a palm with 5 finger. Magnum in a me hand with me ear bright color. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. The queen back pan the throne coulda never be the throne. Body lift up like Joan, titty stiff up like cone. Play with the like phone of me black skin tone. Me a bounce up me body, but this girl inna the zone. Body cock up inna this, 'cause me the back up inna this. Your man a jack up inna this, 2 a wheel lock up inna this. Look how me rock up inna this, stick like a clock up inna this. Pony no slack up inna this, that's why me boom like this car. The man love when me legs apart. This a the key to the man heart. Shuffle the deck, me a the queen of heart. Me have the key to the man heart. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Make him 10 time before him a say him want more. So me bounce up me body pan the floor. Inna me short shorts can't say me's a whore. Bounce up me body pan the floor. Inna me fishnet stocking, me every man flocking. Dance all passy this a traffic blocking. Whole place me locking, open up and put the cock in. Whole time style to how we a do the broken. The man love when me legs apart. This a the key to the man heart. Shuffle the deck, me a the queen of heart. Me have the key to the man heart. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Body a bounce like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall. Bounce up a body pan the ground like ball. Me a the queen of the dance hall.
Yeah.
You heard it here.
Yeah.
Queen of the dance hall.
Queen of the dance hall. Just like Anthony Malvo was saying, she keeping the original rhythms. You know, she not trying to trap out dance hall in those ways.
She have the formula.
You know, she just, and if you're gonna call yourself the queen of the dance hall, you gotta hold it down. But this next song that's gonna be coming in
at the number 5 spot.
Oh, are we already at number 5?
Looky there.
No. We're on the number 6. It's just true.
Oh,
she has both of these spots.
She'll hold down number 6 as well.
Yeah.
Spice.
With almost an alternative personality on this next one, too.
Double the trouble, double the fun.
I love this one, y'all. This one's called Spice Marley. Check this one out.
6. Spice Marley.
The great Polofin. Angela. Yeah, man. Well, I give thanks to the Most High God. I declare only good things in my life, and I denounce anything that's bad. Yeah, man. Selah. Our Father who art in heaven, thank you for everything I was given. Pray that my sins will be forgiven. Multiply my blessings 10 times 11. I bind up every tongue that speak against me. I beg you wash me from my head to feet, you cleanse me. Every day I tell them that the Lord defends me. Fight against all those who fight against me, because here I am, the one that overcame everything that was meant to put me down to shame. All of my enemies fighting in vain, cause I walk with the Spirit of God that proclaim. I beg you, Lord, don't leave my side. Journey with me on this earthly ride. You heal my pain every night that I cried, under the shadow of the Almighty God I abide. You are God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me, I keep me. Father God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me, I keep me. God that cover me like every time. Who no like me go join the back of the line. Cause Father God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me, I keep me. God the Father, God the Spirit, the Son. You say the battle for me already won. Chapter 1:4 Ephesians. You say you choose us all before creation. God that cover me, him done plan my destiny. Make them stay depending me, coming up any enemy. All of them full of jealousy, burn up all iniquity. Bind up negativity, just give me love and unity. Full of positivity. Here I am, the one that overcame everything that was meant to put me down to shame. All of my enemies fighting in vain, cause I walk with the Spirit of God that proclaim. I beg you, Lord, don't leave my side. Journey with me on this earthly ride. You heal my pain every night that I cried, under the shadow of the Almighty God I abide. You are God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me, I keep me. Father God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me, I keep me. God that cover me like every time. Who no like me go join the back of the line. Cause Father God that lead me, I keep me. My God that lead me, I keep me. God is for me. You can't be against me.
Oh, wow. That's Spice Marley. That rhythm, well produced.
If Jah is for me, who can be against me?
Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, now, finally, we've reached that halfway mark. We're at number 5 with Kiprich. I wonder if Kiprich is dealing with some fest. He's not. He has some big tune, and this is one of them.
Right.
What's the name of this song we're about to get?
Nah.
That's my tune.
Anytime a boy broke and bun, no man could not approach me. But just transform my face on him dirty self and say remove yourself.
My G, stepping out of place, gotta follow my lead. Whip them a drip to a road high speed. Standing in his zone, you're in my league. Man clean to the bone, spin tone, white pre. With that at, so go and chat, we not stop. I'm bop, I'm mosquito, clap that. We don't reach, I found this wop. So don't itch, give gal money, not chat. You can't say you chop and have a gal a bus stop. Bus back, don't fit, gal with that art. From me up, she have to up like that. In cash, me have full up the cash up. Anana. And now give him money for a year buy back. Tell him me not give him no meat, no stop. Anana. And if him want you for deep throat, tell him me want land and cement and black. Anana. You know I done tweet. Tell him me now and then I'ma tell that cheap. You have a good mouth tight up underneath. Money you have to spend your nails and feet. Dr. Miami put your body on fleek. For you just up in a short clean. So you now waste time on no man by mean. Tell him you want siren. But you a keep it standard up high beam. Anana. And now give him money for a year buy back. Tell him me not give him none meat. Full stop. Anana. And if him want you for deep free out me fin. Tell him me want land and cement and black. Anana. With that at, so go and chat, we not stop. I'm bop. A mosquito clap that. We done rich. I found this wop wop. So don't itch. Give gal money, not chat. You can't say you chop and have a gal a bus stop. Bus back, don't fit. Gal with that hat. From me up, she have you up like that. In cash, me have full up the cash up. Anana. And now give him money for a year buy back. Tell him me not give him no bone me top. Anana. And if him want you for the free on me finna. Tell him me want land and cement and black. Anana.
That's right, once again, at number 5, that's Kid Richard with Nana. Been on the countdown.
Climbing.
Holding steady, climbing and holding.
Steady, climbing and holding. Kid Richard doing ting, representing for Spanish Town every time. St. Catherine in the building.
Yeah. That was a lyrical display right there. So we have for number 4.
I who this now? You don't know. The Queen, Jada Kingdom.
With ESQ, the East Side Queen.
Till death. See that?
All right, here we go.
From Media House, $100 entertainment. Eastside Queen.
Touch the road.
Watch how you speak me word, yo. Chat all you want on the media. Do the same when you see me in person. My cash are the only thing certain. Me I like people, the whole of them are. Anything I want right now, watch my word. Run up on me, I'm a left ain't a joke. No phone, no chat, will leave your seat. Got me in a mix. Want turn me enemy, come join the league. No give a who you say you be. You will get click, cause it's like someone only no eat if them tough and the two for drape me and disgrace me. That still can't approach me yet. Walk that down barefoot anytime I did it. Cause me nah no say link up so me can tap in your name. Eastside Queen till. Oh you tough boy, you want come me and disgrace me. But you over there so I say you rather lose your life than make some money. Use a big cruff, real crash dummy. Just supply the hunk them a move dirty. Tell your idiot man twinkle say him is a stamp and seal. Say me a the OG round here. Me no respect nobody a zero. My kill last boy.
Touch the road.
That in the ear. Don't ramp with me because I don't play. Hold them tough and who for drape me and disgrace me. That still can't approach me. Walk that down barefoot anytime I did it. Cause me nah no say link up so me can tap in your name. Me name Eastside Queen till. Oh you tough boy, you want come drape me and disgrace me. But you over there so I send trick. That no make sense, you a clown, I'm a seed. Me a one girl I can't beat. They always outside cause I'm being got the street. Outside so I better you go sleep.
The East Side Queen till
the East Side Queen. Yeah, that tune that big. That
you better
tune that
put
big.
some respect on her name.
East Side Queen.
Jada Kingdom.
Very good, very
Number
good.
4 on the countdown.
Climbing. All right, so number 3, we got Spice again.
Gotta bless me.
Gotta bless me. Yo, I love the vibe. We know what she went through with the health scare. And it's left us with some really good music. And here's one, Gotta Bless Me. Listen up.
Her testimony.
I'm gonna call it.
No, wait. We got a pulse.
Yes, I was afraid. I was terrified. No one knows what I really been through, but God stayed by my side. Been through the darkest road every day. I mean, if you thank God, say me still alive. Haters feel again because me overcome every obstacle we come in my life. Well, enough of them, I look for see me flop and mash up. If me drop down in this, me get back up and stand up. God, they on my side in the times when it rough. And me stand up in this, up in this, up in this. Them call up my name and mix up my name and tell like what I think. Them never know if me dead or alive, but yes, the news I bring. Never scaring on me chest, to prove I got me worshipping. No me dash me whole life, bringing a new beginning. Me see the enemy, I pray when them see the new me. My new life, at this, them envy. Sit down and a chat and them a worry about me. Living in my new life, and no see nobody. Oh, no matter what, them can't depress me. Them don't like me through them, see God I bless me. All what them attack, them can't address me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. No matter what, them can't depress me. Them don't like me through them, see God I bless me. All what them attack, them can't address
me. Cause me feel me new life success caress me. Them no run fi give me water fi carry in a basket. Me a did the target, the dance all target. October, what date in a it to see market. The amount of evil spirit after me just not target. So when you see me shake and I say congratulations. Heavenly Father want me through trial and tribulation. Rejuvenation, rehabilitation, I'm like new creation. Them not like me but them have me for notification. If me tell them say ya this, me know them still a say ya that. I don't pay people no mind so me just make them go and chat. I don't need to do a BBL, me body don't need fat. So call your mother, father, granny and tell them the queen is back. Me see the enemy a pray when them see the new me. My new life at this them envy. Sit down and a chat and them a worry about me. Living in my new life, me no see nobody. Oh, no matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me through them, see God a bless me. All where them a talk, them can't address me. Cause me see me new life success caress me. No matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me through them, see God a bless me. All where them a talk, them can't address me. Cause me see me new life success caress me. Me here but me no really matter what them a say. God cover me night and him cover me day. That's why me no really matter what them a say. God cover me night and him cover me day.
Me say, oh, I was about to go into some DJ Island Italican.
Beer things, and on the mix.
Yes,
So you done know, so we at the number 3. That was Spice, Gotta Bless Me. We're making our way downtown. On down.
All right, so this number 2 spot is kind of a new one for me. It's an artist goes by the name of Nine alongside Jada Kingdom.
This track is called Turn Me On.
All right,
check it out. Let us know what you think about the collab in the chat.
Me know you just want my good. To them other girl give you when you want it. You have a vibe and me can't ignore it. I will bless you if you're working for it.
Anytime you ready, girl, just say the word. Top 3 and a second I
No sir, not me. Me I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me I gon' need a breaking if you want for show me out. You gon' need a break, it come a goodly break out.
Better stop it chatting cause that turn me on. Turn me on, turn me on.
Need a real nigga now, not no phony. I'm a number 1 girl, me a trophy.
Me know say this how you want. Me know say me alone enough.
Me go pick it up and drop it like enough is not enough. If me make it get my then you know you have to go.
Me and grab it, slap it up and make a little snap. Cock it up and set it good and then you throw it back.
No sir, not me. Me I got no time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a breaking if you want for show me out. You gon' need a break, it come a goodly break out.
Better stop it chatting cause that turn me on.
What you mean?
Turn me on. You know you love it every time. Cause some niggas show so dirty on my mind. Cause you know me love it when the legs divide. Full time now me get the proper wine.
Oh, you feel too busy. You're too like come see me. Cause you know me no wanna watch no TV. Come rub up on my body like a genie. We gon' make a porno. Time for them energy.
My girl, why pre? Come here, just wind up your body.
Me gon' need a breaking if you want for show me out. You gon' need a break, it come a goodly break out.
Better stop it chatting cause that turn me on.
What you mean?
Turn me on, turn me on.
That's right, y'all. This is the Island Heat Countdown. These are artists that you can find here in Atlanta, but are mashing up the world with dancehall music.
And you don't know we have to give you the rundown before we give you the last number for the countdown. At number 10, we had DeMarco John Crow.
And coming in at number 9, we had Jada Kingdom with One Life.
At number 8, DeMarco Life.
Spice gave us Queen of the Dance Hall at the number 7 spot.
We can't forget number 8, Spice Marley.
Oh, it's number 6. That was
Number 6.
Yeah.
Spice
It
Marley.
moved up. As I think it climbed its way on up that
It's
chart.
climbing its way on up. True.
Number 5, we had Kip Rich coming in with Nah Nah.
All right. Number 4 was Jada Kingdom, East Side Queen.
True. And then we had Spice, number 3 spot, Gotta Bless Me.
2 was Jada Kingdom and the 9, Turn Me On. And number 1
is your girl Jada Kingdom once again coming in at the number 1 spot with GPP.
Love this song.
What does
Stephen the
GPP
Genius.
stand for?
Good.
Okay.
Problems.
All right, I think we know what that means. All right. All right, Jada, let's go.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. Done good boy and I'm mad man. Now I got good problems with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you gonna regret it in the morning. Yeah, me know. And no stop text me, and no stop call me. Man, I roll me down and I stop me too regularly. Tell you don't text it for me. Man, I'm so sorry, cause me never want nobody, just some temporary. No, me never plan for this. God know me, always just a mind my business. Hey, but I'm my fault and I fame one. Usually me not give up, but my game one and I me that. Now I'm look like idiot, oh God. I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. Done good boy, I'm on man. Now I got good problem with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you gonna regret it in the morning. China, but I feel too special. You was just another plaything. See you excited, but fit tell it. Truth I was faking, whip drive it crazy. But I'm not your lady. Intoxicated, out of rum that don't blame me. No, me never plan for this. God know me, always just a mind my business. And when I feel bad when I respond, usually when I give up, but my game one and I made that. Now I'm look like idiot, oh God. I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. Done good boy, I'm on man. Now I got good problem with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you gonna regret it in the morning.
That's right, y'all. That's number 1 spot.
GPP.
Good type of
If
problem.
you never know, now you know.
Big tunes on the top 10 countdown. Now, if y'all enjoyed that, let us know in the chat how y'all feel about that.
Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. That's APAP Media Group. That's Island Heat Radio Show. I don't know how the thing said.
The thing always set a blazing. Gotta say big up to Live in the chat. It's your boy Live and Living Curler. We here having fun. Me and Lady
Lavian,
Lalabella.
big up yourself.
Big up to Super Peck.
Thanks for the love. Make sure you follow us individually on Instagram. Go and give them the hashtag and the names.
Yes. They can link up with King Rudy Sound at anywhere, actually, on Instagram, Twitter, all those type of places, Facebook.
And that's Rudy, R-U-D-I-E.
That's right. Make sure you spell it right. No Bill Cosby to the thing. You know?
You see it, and that's Lady, L-A-D-Y-L-A-L-E-E, Bella, B-E-L-L-A. You don't know Lady Lalabella.
Oh, you mean?
All right, then. So, Chaman, it's how time just a pass. We have to talk about our 2 passings. We had 2 legends that passed this past 2 weeks. So we want to honor them and give them some respect. And in the same light, we're going to give some respect to the living, talk about some of the birthdays. And if we can, maybe even get to our island countdown. Island shout out. So, yeah, man, we have some time still, right? You're not rush us, Mr. P. All right, good. So St. Kitts and Nevis has lost one of their cultural greats, the one and only Michael McStokes Hayliger. Now, St. Kitts and Nevis is mourning the loss of culture icon Michael McStokes Hayliger, who passed away. He was 69 years old. He was a legendary drummer, songwriter, calypsonian, jeweler, and radio personality. Hayliger was the father of the Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, Dr. Terence Drew. Kittinians and persons from across the Caribbean had offered their condolences and tributes on his passing. Now, the St. Kitts and Nevis, National Carnival, in its condolences said that Michael, also known as Mick Stokes or Uncle Mick, began his journey in the world of entertainment at a young age, starting as a limbo dancer. Now, who would play limbo when they were a kid and didn't know that it had anything to do with calypso? I didn't know.
I can't say that eventually, as a kid, I learned that it had calypso.
I would see lace.
origin.
So I'd see I think it was like Hawaii. I was like, okay, this is a Hawaiian thing, but this is actually a calypsonian tradition.
Yes.
So even closer to home. Now, as a preteen, he fearlessly showcased his singing talent on a popular radio show, introducing original tunes like Jumping Jacks and Too Young. These early moments marked a significant turning point in his artistic path. Is there anything you want to share about Mick Stokes?
No, it's learning of the past, and I hate when I go and investigate afterwards, but I'm going to find out, listen to some of the music and listen to some of what he was keeping up with. I probably know a lot of that stuff and just didn't realize because he's behind the scenes.
He actually did some collaborations and contributed his talents to Ashanti, The Legends Band, Foreplay, Royalties, and Rhapsody.
Nice.
So some modern acts in there as well.
Absolutely.
Big up to Uncle Mick. And then our latest passing, Lord Creator, died at home. Yeah. It was his last wish. It was in 1962, if anyone can remember what it was like in 1962, that Kenrick, Lord Creator Patrick, recorded the song Independent Jamaica, and it became one of the top songs marking the island's independence from Britain on August 6th, 1962. In 2002, Jamaica's 60th anniversary of independence, the government conferred on Lord Creator the Order of Distinction, OD, officer class, for his contribution to the development of Jamaican music. I was happy for him because it was long overdue, and he was happy as well, said Nessaline Patrick, the woman who has been by Lord Creator's side for more than 30 years. Last Friday, Patrick watched him take his last breath. Rest in peace.
Wow. Now, Lord Creator is definitely one of those artists. If you haven't heard his songs, please go and listen to them. If you want to get that authentic dancehall toasters, what it might have sounded like to listen to the radio at that time. I mean, he has that voice encapsulated very well. I'd always love to hear his voice. I'm trying to see if I can't find us one before we get out of here, because it's so many of them. So before we get out of here, I might try to find one in there in his honor, but definitely want to say condolences to the family and awesome career. Rest in peace.
We always keep the legends among us. We have a great calypsonian right behind us as well. And we always keep and lift up the name. Count Lasher. Yes, in the building, holding us down, keeping us up to date with what's going on, bringing the past to the present, and constantly, reminding us of where we came from.
Absolutely.
So let's just jump right into our birthdays.
All right, let's get into the birthdays, y'all. It's July, y'all. What's the sign? I don't know. What's the sign for this month?
Cancer.
It's Cancer season?
And then later on this month, it'll be Leo.
Okay.
As we transition.
And it transitions right there in the middle of the month?
It's going to transition at the later part of July.
Okay.
So right now we're in Cancer, and then we're going to move on to Leo. But we got to big up those who are currently having birthdays. That's the one, Mr. John Holt. Our rest in peace.
Releasing helicopter. Has his birthday on tomorrow.
Stick by me.
Yes.
I stick by you.
Who else on the 11th of July? We got Peter Morgan. Morgan family.
The Morgan Heritage Royalty, yes.
And Michael Rose. Last month I was here with Junior Reed's Earthstrong. Hey, they got a month apart on their birthdays. That's nice. So Michael Rose also has his birthday on July 11th.
See that's a nice lineup. Ooh, look who we have at number 12.
Queen
Minister.
of the Pen. Minister Marion Hall on July the 12th. A couple of days she'll be celebrating.
Oh, right now in the 13th, we have Papa D. That's David Christopher Daniel Walgreen.
Okay, on the 13th. And then on the 14th, we have J.O.E. Joe.
That's Jaw Over Evil, for those who know the late producer. He passed.
Oh, Chronic's old producer? Yeah, man. Okay, that's July 4th. They'll be celebrating his life. July 15th. What? Mark Myrie.
I want to be loved.
Hey. Buju Banton. July 15th.
But look who have the same birthday as Buju.
I wonder if they should party together. The
Yeah.
one Poppy.
The one Popcorn. Oh, yeah, get the new
He wasn't in the news. He wasn't in the news this week. I've been hearing some rumblings, some strugglings. But
well, go on with Popcorn.
I think something happened with Drake and him. I think it's really more fun. You know, people run away with anything that Popcorn say, and they think that they're trying to always separate them two. But I think Drake might have did something funny or something
peculiar.
And maybe Popcorn might have said something about it. It looked like it was some dissension.
Strange.
But that's how they do. If you know the relationship, if something happened, they're going to clown each other, and it will be for the media. It ain't going to be nothing that they're going to have. I always like their energy. So, yeah, Popcorn on July 15th, as well as, is that the Cool Ruler?
Gregory Anthony Isaacs.
Gregory Isaacs. I got to celebrate this week. We have a lot of reggae royalty that were born in this month. My goodness.
Round your avenue.
July 16th, one of my personal icons, the rude boy himself, Desmond Decker, has his birthday. Yeah, I'm celebrating this month. These are my icons born in this month here.
I'm sorry. I gotta get Israelite.
If I had known that, it would have been a Desmond Decker segment. And then
the one named Stylo.
The new youth on the market that's mashing it, but he kind of changed the game a little bit.
He did. He definitely made people turn to the UK like, okay, that's what's going on across the pond.
Him and Gaffy Ranks made a lot of people start looking for the UK DJs, see what they were going to do, and he didn't disappoint at all. So big him up on July 16th. And then July 17th, we got the one Junior Biles. He's of only vanity and no love, who for many years had been sick. So keep him in your prayers. I mean, just to know that he's still alive and still kicking is an awesome thing. They did a ceremony for him several years ago just to kind of pay some homage, knowing what he had been going through with mental health and all of these things. So lodge him up on his Earth Strong as well. Yeah, it's a lot of birthdays just this week.
When you think about independence, I mean, we talked about so many greats that helped ring in the independence across the Caribbean, and some of those names are definitely among them in the legendary category. Yeah, man.
Desmond Decker. I mean, come on, Desmond Decker.
Popcorn.
He's the one who set if you talk about people who crossed over and really was an ambassador and brought reggae music throughout the world, he was one of the first to do that.
Definitely.
You know, so definitely, if y'all don't know who Desmond Decker is, go listen to his music. Y'all, we're talking about the voice of Jamaica. Wouldn't you hear me back? Oh, that's the voice of Jamaica.
And I'm so glad that what is happening now with the One Love movie, because if you think about it, with the Harder They Come, was also one of those cult classic films that helped usher in that new music.
Yes.
And also gave to light what does independence look like?
Yes.
To these people, who for so long depended on, the crown. And, even their struggles in the separation from colonialism and entering into what, would be a republic for some and then independence for others.
Growing up on a third world poverty, and they still are producing the best music, some of the best entertainment, so they can't give up on Jamaica in any way. And it is just great to see that we can still celebrate the icons, and there's movies coming out to go to. There's, big shows. What was the name of the show again? Back to Paradise? Is that what it's called?
The Best of Paradise.
The Best of Paradise. Yeah, man. Jamaica got the Best of Paradise. So definitely go get some of that island heat.
Definitely do so. I mean, get some for me while you're at it. How many more minutes we have left? We still got some time. Let's go
Yeah.
ahead and try to give them a rundown of the island roll call.
Okay. Well, I got to big up my other people from Anguilla and Antigua.
All right, and I'm going to holler at all the individuals from Aruba and Bahamas.
What about all the people that will come from Barbados?
Well, look on the screen here. We have
Bermuda.
All right, we have live and live in color, the British Virgin Islands.
Cayman Islands, Cuba, Dominica, the Dominican Republic.
Grenada, Guadeloupe, Guyana, Haiti.
Jamaica, of course, Martinique. Who else we got down in there? What is that?
Montserrat.
Montserrat. I never got. That must be a small island down there.
Mm-hmm.
British Island. Nice.
Represent nice.
Big them up. Puerto Rico, Trinidad and Tobago.
Turks and Caicos.
St. Martin.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
St. Kitts that we talked about earlier, and Nevis.
And don't forget the U.S. Virgin Islands. Oh, we have to represent for, the countries that may not be Caribbean islands, but still have the culture. Panama.
Guyana,
Yes.
Panama, Belize. All these places that
Costa
love the
Rica.
culture. Yes, Costa Rica, absolutely.
All of Latin America, big up yourself, representan.
Yes,
Cada vez. All right. Well, we got to give a shout out to our sponsors once again. APAP Media Group, a full service creative video and photo production company.
Yes.
We specialize in podcasting, multi-camera recording, live streaming. The services are customizable for any occasion, be it conferences, workshops, employee training, concerts, trade shows, lectures, or more. The mission is to take creative challenges and preserving and telling stories visually in compelling ways for individuals and corporations so they can achieve their preconceived objectives.
Now you mean quality, high quality.
And you better holler at Mr. P. You can contact him at info@apapmedia.com.
Nice. So you're going to let them know the show, Instagram, everything they need to know about the Instagram for the
Oh,
show.
yes. The Island Heat Radio Show, the best from yard to the streets here, Dandoa. We feature Caribbean music, culture, and topics. You listen from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. every Monday right here on APAP Radio. Now, the email is islandheatshow@gmail.com. If you have a song, if you have a launch, if you have somebody who you think we should interview, go ahead and send your submissions so that we can schedule you in and make sure that you're featured here on Atlanta's #1 Caribbean show.
Naturally. What about you gave them the Instagram?
Instagram is @Island Heat Radio Show. The Twitter is Island Heat Show. The Facebook is Island Heat Radio Show. And of course, you can get us on YouTube at Island Heat and APAP Media Group.
The YouTube is awesome. If you miss it, just go back and you can listen to the show when you're ready. Let's clean up the house, whatever the case is. Instagram is hot. You can go get snippets of the show. Yeah.
Get the countdown on a weekly basis.
Beautiful.
Oh, yes. Fresh mix on a weekly basis.
Yes. And, just got to say big up to Anthony Malvo tonight for checking in.
That was an amazing interview. He gave us some of the history.
Gave us history. He let us know what the work that he was working on now. Let us know how he felt about some of the things that are going on now. So it's good to get his perspective. So big respect to Anthony Malvo, legend.
And big up the One Bobby Digital, big up Water O same way. And we made sure to touch some fest and talk about how they're going to do a grand tribute to the One name.
Who they doing a tribute to? Boom Dandy?
Boom Dynamite.
Yes.
They're going to do this. The Scaredom crew is going to link up, but they're also doing an 80s throwback to...
Oh, yeah. I didn't hear Malvo say he was going to be on that, but I wouldn't be surprised if he slid in on that.
Right.
Because that show is packed.
It's going to be bad. It's going to be wicked.
I didn't get to play no time. Do we have time on it?
We got some
time. Yeah, what I do, Jude? Because we talked about this artist about the Shell Down Sumfest. We really hadn't heard him in a little while. But everybody's looking forward to hearing this artist right here. He goes by the name of Tommy Lee Sparta. This is him alongside the One Valiant, so they might even come out there and do something together.
I like
we'll
that.
See how it works. Check this one out. It's called the Goozle Bonks.
The Goozle Bonks.
Father Rock.
A dance.
Yo, jiggity, about the cream tree attack, Gina dog. Frank White, oh that looks a brother. Catch that man, my father, man.
Any man a sip,
Pull up with the cut it. Tell us to be rich. Take a wife and turn it in a. She know she say she a witch. Loyalty me buy some when me ready. Them easy if you sell out a musty market. Engine revolt up that split them. They are spread out in a apartment. I suggest me I tell you I must see offset. Get the rim them spread out and know the market. Sachi hat on the right side and I look left. Them tell her blow a bread pan for me. Sachi hat on the right side and I look left. Them tell her blow a bread pan for me. One goes to bounce and your girl turn your ex. Habit it, blood out in a day.
Yeah. Goes to bounce on the father rock. Some gone uptown and a but I'm a rose when I talk a lot. Shh, you know so the job. Squeeze up the girl, just like Benz on. Lock down your girl in the tension. And the girl take my name off a mention. Catch your goose bumps by your left hand. In the club and the streets. Catch the rocket unique. Mix the wanted with great. Jeans as I'm a cut off the foot knit. Goes bumps on the father rock. Some gone uptown and a but I'm a rose when I talk a lot. Shh, you know so the job.
That's right, y'all. That was Tommy Lee and Valiant. This one right here is Vibrant. It's called Pressure.
Girl, your body they are pressure. Looking at the mirror, all your bumper big so. Well confident, you not have no issue. Well prominent, you not have no time for mix up. Any man will get you, well them have to miss you. Looking at the mirror, girl, and take a picture. Pretty pon the gram, pretty pon the Twitter. No need no filter. Aye. Girl, you look so goddamn fine. I would like to make you mine. Every time you cross my mind, make me tell you one more time. Pressure, 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 girl, you are pressure. Pressure, 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 girl, you are pressure. Pressure, pressure. Fi clean every day, that's something I love. You do the things that I love. Wind up your nice clean body, my love. Cause you are pressure them. Fi clean every day, that's something I love. You do the things that I love. Wind up your nice clean body, my love. Cause you are pressure them. Pressure them like water in a pipe stream. Them can't see it clear, tell them all have eyes in. Can't dirty up your name like crime scene. Cause you're hotter than the fire where you push steam. Hotter than fire, my girl, you're burning up. The way you're moving your body, baby, you're turning me on. Yeah. Girl, you look so fine. I would like to make you mine. Every time you cross my mind, make me tell you one more time. Pressure, 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 girl, you are pressure. Pressure, 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 girl, you are pressure. Pressure, pressure.
That's right, y'all. That was Vibrant with Pressure. Before we get out of here, I gotta let y'all hear this Sir Alexander. This one is called Stay. Heat once again, that was your boy Sir Alexander with Stay. He always give you that different vibe. Got to love it. Got to love it.
For more interviews, make sure you check out our past episodes. We got Sir Alexander. We got Vybrid, our latest one with Anthony Malvo. I mean, Nishi from the Bahamas. You just got to keep it locked.
Yeah,
We'll
Island
always have
Heat.
some great Island Heat interviews, some exclusive music. You're going to want to see what we have in store for you for the summer.
Absolutely. And once again, I was just glad to be here. Got to say big up once again to your original host, Super Peck. He should be back. I'm just glad to be here, stepping in and playing my part. So give thanks to the Island Heat family and all the Island Heat listeners for allowing me to come in here and grace the place with some music.
And you still don't drop no mad dub on them, but it's all right.
I know.
It's all right. We'll save that for another time, another place.
Yes.
I'm your co-host, Lady Lalabella.
And I'm King Rudy.
And we're represented for APAP Media, APAP Radio, and it's Island Heat Radio Show. Good night. Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAP Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAP Radio. Keep it locked.